Hi guys! If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what the hell are those thousands imprinting stones in my bag doing, and should I use them? Is that the only usage of them? So on and so forth. So basically the imprinting stones are used in the imprinting. The imprinting is putting, let's say, power or some points or whatever equivalent you can think of or find in 5 of those demon slate. They are one of the main ways to increase your stats. You have many different things in this game, and well, in the most games you increase your how strong you are by your gear, but here are many different ways that you can increase your stats. The gears are giving you the CP, which is, I think, something like an item level, but the imprinting stones are giving you stats. So basically what you do, I am already in the 4th one, they each increase. When you enter, probably in your first one, if you're looking at this video, and you press out to imprint, it will start using those stones and some money to open those points. It will open until you have money and stones, of course. When it goes the first road, like put 1 point on each of them, it will also open those slots which are used to put in a demon slates. To put in a demon stones. And those demon stones are giving you some kind of stat. For example, this one is giving me, not you, 132 defense. I can switch it, remove it, but I like it there. And this one is giving me 48 attack. You use your yellow stones for the first 4, 5 slates. After you enchant, let's say enchant, I don't know what they're imprint. After you imprint to max, when they're max you see stars, all those 5. Here will open other places for bonus thingies. I cannot show you now. Whenever I have it available, I will be making another video with my progression, something like a gameplay video and stuff like this vlog, so you can check that video out. There will be 4 slots for 4 bonus, let's say, abilities, or yeah. One of them, I believe the last one, is a PvP one. So basically that's the only usage of those stones. After you fill everything, you will no longer need them, but you can increase them, you can make them into the higher one, which are purple, that you're going to need for those. And after that, I think so far you don't need them for anything else. So don't hoard them, increase your stats, be strong and fight enemies. So yeah guys, basically that's what you use the imprinting stones for. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, make sure you let me know by liking, comment and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching again, and see you next time. Bye bye.